Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to do another coding exercises. Here we are writing a program that calculates the sum of numbers from 1 to 5. So to do that, we can do it manually, which is the hard way. The easy way is to use for loops. So we initialize sum as to be 0, then we start a for loop right away, and it has three parts, as you know. So because we are calculating the sum of numbers from 1 to 5, it starts with 1 and its upper bound is 5, and it is incrementing one step at a time. So and since sum equals 0, it is initialized to be 0. Here we have 0 equal 0 plus 1 in the first iteration. So I equals 1. So 1 is assigned to sum. Then it goes up again, I equals 2, and it enters the loop again. So I equals 2 here, and plus sum was 1 from the previous iteration. And the sum of these two will be 3, and 3 is assigned to sum now. So it goes until I equals 5. When it equals 5, it enters for the last time. It does some calculation here, and then the loop is finished. And the final value of sum is printed here. So also I put one line here so we can iteratively see the increase in the value of sum. So let's see how it works. Okay, so as I mentioned here, the first one is sum is 0 and I is 1, so 1 is assigned to sum. Then I is 2, sum is 1, they are 3, and 3 is assigned to sum for the second round. For the third round, it will be 6. For the fourth round, it is 10. And for the last round, it is 15. The last round is stored in the sum for the final number because we are not going to enter the loop anymore. And then we print the value of sum here. So one of the ways to do some of these calculation is using for loops to make it easier. It is always possible to do everything manually, but we're coding to, increase the speed and have more efficiency, etc. So one point here is that now we are saying sum equals sum plus I. So even for this, we could write our code even more simpler and more efficient. So writing it like this, sum plus equal I is exactly like writing sum equals sum plus I. So we could use either way. So let's try this one and see if there is any difference or not. So there shouldn't be. Yes, so as you see, the results are the same. So the results are the same, and it's only the matter of how you would like to code. Usually in advanced programmers are using this method because it's more concise. So if you see something like this, it means that sum equals sum plus I, but it is a more concise way of writing it.